Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and in this video we are going to solve a nice algebraic problem. And here we learn today maths Olympiad question, which is 9-degree polynomial equation, and the question is x the power of 9 minus 512 and is equal to 0. And here we will find all the roots of x, and we have to solve for the real root and the imaginary root in the question. So here is first of all we can write x the power of 9 and minus this 512 is can be written as to the power of 9 and is equal to 0. And now here we solve this question with the help of a nice exponential equation, which is a the power of m n is equal to a the power of m and whole the power of n and is equal to a the power of n and whole the power of m. So we can write this x the power of 9 is x cube and whole the power of 3, and then minus this to the power of 9 is can be written as 2 cube and whole the power of 3 and is equal to 0. And now in the next step is this x the power of 3 and whole the power of 3 and then minus to the power of 3 and whole the power of 3 and is equal to 0. And now here we solve this question with a nice algebraic identity, which is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y and then x square plus xy and then plus y square. And now here in the next step is we can write this x minus y, and x is x cube and y is 2 cube. So here x cube minus 2 cube and then this x square is this x cube and whole the power of 2 and then plus this x is x cube and y is 2 cube and then plus this y square is 2 cube and then whole the power of 2 and is equal to 0. So in the next step is this x cube minus 2 cube, and now we multiply exponents. So x and 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6 and then plus, and this 2 cube 2 multiply 3 times is equal to 8 and then this x cube and plus this 2 and multiply exponents is 6 and is equal to 0. And now here x cube minus 2 cube and then x the power of 6 plus 8x cube and then plus this 2 6 2 multiply 6 times is equal to 64 and now is equal to 0. So here we can it as this x minus y is x and y is 2. So here we can write x minus 2 and then this x square is x square and then plus x is x times y is 2 and then plus 2 square, y square is 2 square and then this x the power of 6 plus 8x cube plus 64 and is equal to 0. And now here make three cases, and now first case is here x minus 2. Here is first case, and now this x square plus this 2x and plus this 2 square is 4. Here is second case, and now here in the third case is x the power of 6 plus 8x cube and then plus 64 and is equal to 0. And now here is third case. So here first of all we solve this first case, and now x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to, and this minus 2 is moved and other hand side is 2, and here it is the value of x, the first value of x. So we can solve is second case here, and now second case is x square plus 2x and plus 4 and is equal to 0, and this case solve with the help of a quadratic equation, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square and minus 4ac and then 2a, and here is this a is denoted by 1 and b is denoted by 2 and c is denoted by 4. So here we put these values in quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus this b is 2 and plus minus, and then square root of b square is 2 square and minus 4 and a is 1 and c is 4 and then over 2 and a is 1. So here we can solve this. X is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square 2 multiply 2 times is 4 and minus 4 multiply 1 and then multiply 4 is equal to 16 and then over 2 multiply 1 is 2. So here x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 is equal to minus 12 and then over 2. And now here this square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So we put the I in this question. X is equal to minus 2 and plus minus square root of 12 and then this I and over 2. And now x is equal to minus 2 and plus minus square root of this 12 is square root of 12 is square root 4 multiply 3. 4 multiply 3 is equal to 12. And now square root of 4 and then multiply square root of 3. And now this 4 can be written as 2 and square root of 3. So here we can written this square root of 12 it as 2 square root of 3. So here we put them this 2 square root 3 and then this I and then over 2. So here x is equal to minus 2 then over 2 and plus minus and this 2 and then square root of 3i and then over 2. So here cancelled out this 2 with this 2 and this 2 with this 2, and remaining is x is equal to this minus 1 and plus minus square root of 3i. And now here in the second value of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of 3i, and here is the third value of x is equal to minus 1 plus square root of minus 1 minus and then square root of 3i. And now here it is the values of x, and is first value of x is here. First value of x is here, x is equal to 2, and third value of x is, second value of x is equal to minus 1 and plus square root of 3i, and third value of x is equal to minus 1 minus square root of 3i. And now here is the solution of second case is this. So here we can solve third case is x to the power of 6 plus 8 x cube plus 64 and is equal to 0. And again this is a sixth degree polynomial equation, so we are expected to solve for sixth root from this equation. And here we let's y is equal to x cube, and we can double this y square is equal to, and this x cube is x to the power of 6. And now here we substitute these values of here, so we can be written as this x to the power of 6 is can be written as this y square and plus this 8 and this 8 cube, the value is this y, and plus 64 and is equal to 0. And now here again we can solve this equation according to a formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus and square root of b square minus 4ac then over 2a. And now we substitute the values here, and a is equal to 1, b is equal to 8 and c is equal to 64. And now here we substitute these values, so this y is equal to minus b, the value is 8 and plus minus square root of this b square is 8 square and minus 4, a is 1 and c is 64, then over 2 and a is 1. So here we can solve y is equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square is equal to 64 and minus this 4 ones are 4 and times this 64, and then over these 2 ones are 2. So here y is equal to minus 8 plus minus 64, this 64 and this 64, so we can be written as 164 out of bracket, take common and out of bracket, so this 64 ones are 64 and then minus this 4 and then over 2. And now here y is equal to minus 8 and then over 2 and plus minus and square root of this 64 can be written as 8 and this 4 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 then over 2. And now y is equal to minus 8 over 2 and plus minus and this 8 and this square root of minus 3 and then over 2. And now here this 2 divided by 8 is equal to 4 and this 2 divided by 8 is equal to 4. And now y is equal to minus 4 and then plus minus this 4 and this square root of minus 3 and square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So here we put this I and square root of this 3 and then this minus square is I. And so we recall this y is equal to x cube and so we put in this value is here. Y is equal to x cube and now this y is this x cube is equal to and this y the value is here, so we put here this minus 4 plus minus 4 square root of 3 and then I. And now here we take cube root with both sides, so we take cube root is equal to cube root minus 4 plus minus 4 and square root of 3I. And so this cube root cancelled out this cube and remaining is x is equal to and this minus 4 plus minus 4 and square root of this 3I and bracket and this cube root is 1 over 3. Now here it is, the value of x is here. And this is another imaginary root of our x. Now in this place we are having 6 roots, so the last 6 roots plus the previous 3 roots, this of the 9 both the real root and the imaginary root to my degree polynomial equation. Now this is all I have for you and thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.